Hey guys, so I bought these Klein heavy duty diagonal cutters, and the heads on these are massive. It says 57% more cutting surface, and I like the grips, they're really comfortable. So I'll show you a demo of me using these. So far I think they're going to do great for MC cable, because you actually have room to get the MC cable in here. Let me see if I can get them out. Yeah, here we go. Look how big that cutter is. Look at that. I mean, it's freaking huge. So yeah, and these grips, man, they're comfortable. I like the Klein Journeyman grips anyway. But yeah, big cutters.